pursued my Masters of Engineering in Design Engineer from BITS Pilani, and after my Masters, I have around 3 years of experience in the mostly in the training and teaching domain. And finally, after pursuing my Masters course from Skilling, I have got placed in Tata Elxsi. I have heard about the Skilling through an online marketing source itself, and I was one of the starting students, I guess, because I have took the course quite earlier. For first, I have taken the IC Engine course, and after that, I got good reviews from the course. Then I have transferred my course into the hybrid electric vehicle design. Mainly the course curriculum which I observed in the Skilling is industrial focused. So I found it very useful while my working also, and as a professionally it is a well designed professional course, not like our graduations or masters curriculum. We directly have some practical knowledge of the courses, so I find that very useful. The curriculum courses under my UG and PGs were not designed according to the current industrial scenario. They were having the old theoretical methods of their teaching, and practically we used to have very less exposure. And I guess in Skilling it's more about 80% practical exposure and 20% theoretical also. So it keeps that balance, which is very helpful. I have started my journey in Skilling through CFD modeling of IC Engine. That was around 2 months course, and I found it the way of teaching and all the mentors of the Skilling were very helpful, and technical sessions were also very helpful for me to understand the part of that curriculum, means part of my project, and I was very easily able to understand the theoretical concepts also. So after pursuing that course, I have decided to further continue my journey in Skilling through master certification in hybrid electric vehicle. And while pursuing that course also, I have got this opportunity in Tata Elxsi. So I have always rated technical support staff 10 out of 10, sir, because they were available throughout, and all the doubts which I had, they used to clear according to the convenience of my time. So according to my convenience, Skilling is always available for me. Technical interview support was also there from the Skilling, and also the projects which I have done in Skilling, they were the most targeted questions in my interviews. Besides my academic projects, Skilling projects were more impactful during my questions also, and technical rounds also. As I have already said that Skilling has conducted many mock interviews whenever I used to get any interview opportunities, and from the past 6 months I was applying for various jobs, and also I am having the placement assistance through Skilling. They used to update the list, means where should I apply based on my profile. They used to shortlist the companies, and They used to send list weekly, and I used to apply to various companies. From the past 6 months I was trying, and finally I am getting a very positive output through that, as I have placed as a design engineer in Tata Elxsi, all because of the Skillink only. Before joining Skillink, I am having good theoretical knowledge through my academics, and how to apply those theoretical knowledge into the practical scenario. And while doing that project practically, I used to get that exposure in Skillink. My advice would be that they should keep their trust on Skillink, because the course and the curriculum and the support, it will be throughout their journey, and I'm sure that all the students which will pursue the course completely through the Skillink, they will be getting a very good career opportunity in their future. My future looks very bright to me, because I have got placement in the domain of my interest. So I think I'm very excited about my job role right now, and I think there will be a great career scope in this designing field in the future.